Hello friends, today in this tutorial we'll be talking about the two most important methods inside JavaScript array, which is called as Unshift and Shift method. So basically these two methods are very much important, and let's suppose we take a names array here. So we have various names out there. Let's suppose we have the first name John, then second is, let's suppose, Tim, and then Kane, and let's suppose Trent. So you can see we have four names out there, and the very first method we will talk about is the shift method. And basically guys, what this method returns, basically you can see we have four elements out there. So what it will do guys, it will remove the first element that you see right here. It will remove this element John, and it will return the first deleted element. So what it does guys, it basically removes the first element of the array, first element. So it is present in the 0th index. So now after deletion, Tim will be shifted to the 0th index, Kane will be shifted to the second element, and Trent will be third element. So now if you run this code here, and let's suppose if I say here console log names dot shift. So what it's a return type, basically it returns the element that is deleted. And now if I console log, if I see which element is deleted, you will now see John is deleted. You will see John is deleted because it was present at the 0th index. You will see this element is deleted, and it is returned by this method. So now if you want to basically print out console log name here, so you will definitely see here the name that you see right here inside your inspect console here, John, Tim, Kane, Trent. And why John is still here? Because guys, we need to store this. We need to store this here like this inside, let's suppose, deleted element. You can simply say names dot shift like this. So now we can simply console log the deleted element, and after this, if it modifies the original array guys. It basically, you will see this is a thing. You can see that the first element is being deleted. This is the thing. So basically this first element will be deleted, and the rest of the elements will be shifted. This is the difference. And now if I talk about the unshift method, basically it does the reverse process. Let me take the same example here, and we have John, we have Tim, Trent, and we have this one. So let's suppose we want to add two elements at the very beginning of this array. So let's suppose we want to modify this array. So we will simply say call this unshift. We will add Morrison, and let's suppose we add here Saudi at the very top. And now if you see, if you basically loop through each element, and if you now print out the name here, so basically you will see the original array was containing these four elements out there. So these two elements will be shifted at the very beginning of the array. So this will have the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length will be 6 as the output. So now if you see, let me cross check if this is the case out there in the console. So you will see names for each is not a function. Oh sorry, I think it doesn't return a value. It basically modifies the original array. So you don't need to store this value inside a variable. So now if you look here, basically in the console, you will see Morrison Saudi is added at the very top of the array, and it has got the index of 0, 1 2 3 4 5. So length is 6 here, which we have. So this is the basically a difference between this shift and unshift. Basically shift method, basically shift deletes this first element, but unshift added more elements at the top at the very beginning. So we can simply say the differences shift and unshift. So basically it removes and it adds elements, and it can only remove a single element, but it can remove multiple elements. As you can see, it can add multiple elements. You can see we are adding 2 elements out there, and it also works at the beginning, and it also works at the beginning. So both these methods work in the beginning. This is the main property of this. So these are the 3 differences out there, guys, that I need to show you. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.